What I wish I knew at 25 instead of 45, less is more. This simple yet profound principle can change the way you live, work, and even think. Imagine if you had embraced minimalism earlier in life. How much more freedom, clarity, and peace could you have experienced? Minimalism isn't just a trend, it's a lifestyle that encourages you to focus on what truly matters. Minimalism can transform your life. It's not just about having fewer things, it's about making room for more meaningful experiences. When you declutter your physical space, you also declutter your mind. This newfound clarity can lead to better decision-making, increased productivity, and a greater sense of well-being. Minimalism isn't just about ditching the clutter, it's about gaining freedom. Freedom from the constant need to acquire more, freedom from the stress of managing too many possessions, and freedom to focus on what truly brings you joy. Imagine the weight lifted off your shoulders when you no longer feel the need to keep up with the latest trends or accumulate more stuff. Imagine walking into a room and feeling instant peace. A space that is free from distractions allows you to relax and recharge. The beauty of minimalism is that it creates an environment where you can truly unwind and be present. Your home becomes a sanctuary, a place where you can escape the chaos of the outside world. That's the magic of a minimalist space. Start with small steps. You don't have to overhaul your entire life overnight. Begin by decluttering one area at a time. Maybe start with your desk or a single drawer. As you see the benefits, you'll be motivated to continue. Each small step brings you closer to a more organized and peaceful life. Clear one drawer, one shelf, one corner. Each small victory adds up, creating a ripple effect throughout your home. You'll find that as you declutter, you also start to let go of mental and emotional baggage. It's a holistic approach to well-being that starts with your physical environment. Trust me, it's like a breath of fresh air. The act of decluttering can be incredibly liberating. You'll feel lighter, more focused, and more in control of your life. It's a journey worth taking, one that leads to a more fulfilling and balanced existence. Keep only what you love or truly need. This is the essence of minimalism. By surrounding yourself with only the things that bring you joy or serve a purpose, you create a space that reflects your true self. It's about quality over quantity and finding contentment in simplicity. Everything else, let it go. Holding on to items out of guilt or obligation only adds to your mental clutter. By letting go of what no longer serves you, you make room for new opportunities and experiences. It's a powerful act of self-care and self-respect. As you declutter, you'll find you have more time, more energy, and more clarity. You'll be amazed at how much mental space is freed up when you're not constantly worrying about your possessions. This newfound clarity can lead to personal growth and a deeper understanding of what truly matters to you. You're not just creating space in your home, but in your mind. A clutter-free environment allows you to think more clearly and creatively. It's like giving your brain a much-needed break from the constant noise and distractions. This mental clarity can lead to better problem-solving and a more positive outlook on life. It's like deleting all those old files on your computer. Suddenly, everything runs smoother. Your mind, like your computer, functions better when it's not bogged down by unnecessary clutter. This digital decluttering can also extend to your online life, making you more efficient and focused. And minimalism doesn't mean boring. Oh no, it's about finding beauty in simplicity. A minimalist space can be incredibly stylish and elegant. By focusing on a few key pieces, you can create a space that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. It's about finding beauty in simplicity. A single cherished piece can stand out more when it's not competing with 100 knickknacks. This approach allows you to appreciate the true value and beauty of each item you choose to keep. A single cherished piece can stand out more when it's not competing with 100 knickknacks. This not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your space, but also brings a sense of calm and order. It's a reminder that less can indeed be more. So give it a try. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your space and your life transform. The journey to minimalism is a personal one, and it's important to go at your own pace. Celebrate each small victory and keep moving forward. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your space and your life transform. Less mess, less stress, more room for what matters. That's the minimalist way. As you continue to declutter, you'll find that your life becomes more intentional and fulfilling, more room for what matters. That's the minimalist way. By focusing on what truly adds value to your life, you create a space that supports your goals and dreams. It's about living with intention and purpose. Ready to embrace the change? Your new clutter-free life awaits. Take the first step today and experience the transformative power of minimalism. It's a journey that leads to a more meaningful and fulfilling life. Your new clutter-free life awaits. Imagine the possibilities that open up when you're no longer weighed down by excess. It's a fresh start, a new beginning, and a chance to live your best life. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos on living your best minimalist life. Join our community and stay inspired as you continue your journey towards simplicity and intentional living. Until next time, keep it simple. Remember, minimalism is not a destination but a journey. Keep taking those small steps and you'll find that a simpler, more fulfilling life is within reach.